Hello students, in the previous video we have discussed about the deficiency diseases. Rather, they are for protein, carbohydrate, fat, minerals, vitamins. Now it is important to know what is undernutrition and what is malnutrition. Consumption of less quantity of food than the amount required by the body. Listen it very carefully. Consumption of less quantity of the food then the amount required by our body is called the undernutrition, whereas deficiency or excess of some of the essential nutrients in the diet is known as malnutrition. And one more term is there, midday meal program. So according to this program, the government is providing nutritious food on all working days to children who are studying in the primary school. And why it is providing by the government and why it is compulsory? Because it reduces school dropping among children and it runs throughout the India on the direction of Supreme Court. So here we have completed this chapter 2. What is the components of food? Here something is written, excessive intake of food. See, we have discussed about malnutrition, undernutrition and what is obesity. So as deficiency nutrients in our diet are leading diseases, similarly excessive intake of food will also lead to diseases. So overeating of fat rich foods leads to an overweight condition called obesity. Have you seen any people or especially children who are eating a lot of junk food? They are just dying to having burger, pizza, chips, cold drinks, and there are so many junk foods. They are dying for it and they can't eat the nutritional food without these junk foods. So all these food items contain large amount of fats and sugars. So due to lack of physical activity, as much as you are consuming, you have to digest it and you have to do work out, so that the consumed food which contains more of fat has to be burned. So it will accumulate it in the body and cause obesity. So obese people may suffer from diseases like hypertension and diabetes. So we can control obesity and be fit healthy by regular physical exercises and avoiding fat and carbohydrate rich diet in excessive. So here our chapter 2 is completed. Whatever I am giving to you, just do it in fair copy if you are having. If you are not having, do it properly, chapter wise, topic wise in a rough copy, and don't worry that I am teaching from the your book that we are having or the any another book, because what is important, the topics, the discussion, the illustration, not it is important which book I am using to discuss. Okay, thank you.